Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're in my friend's garage looking today at the Chamberlain half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. I know I haven't done a garage door opener video in a long time. Okay, now we're using this wall button right here. Now let's open the garage door. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool. Okay. Now let's close it. Cool. Okay. Now let's open the garage door again. Here we go. Okay, now let's close it again. Okay, now let's open the garage door one more time. Cool. Okay, now let's close the garage door one more time. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.